Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. I wanted to welcome you to 3100 Whitewood Avenue Northwest, a condo located in North Canton. This condo is unique because it has almost 1,500 square feet and it has basement under a partial part of the building. The majority of the units in here are slabs, no basement, so that's a nice feature. So this is what's going to be a virtual walkthrough. So since you can't be with me, I'm going to try to explain it to you like we're walking through it together. So let's do it. So what are we looking at first? We're standing right here in the dining room area. So as I come in the front door here, okay, so I come in the front door, and so this is basically my view. So I'm looking at the living room here. Straight on beyond that is the Florida room, which we'll check out here in a second. And of course the dining room, good sized dining room. Ceiling fan, the ceilings are 9 foot tall. You see there's a breakfast bar right here. So the cabinets are maple. So let's just take a quick peek at that. You can see you have some appliances, dishwasher, electric range, microwave, a little bar area in the back here, of course then a refrigerator, and you have ceramic floor. Now you're in the living room, so they're open to one another, which is nice. The colors are freshly painted, an off gray light, newer carpeting, mini blinds on all the windows. Now the fireplace is a gas fireplace, switch operated. It actually puts heat out, which is nice. And then there's a cable outlet above it, so if you put a TV, it would be great. All white trim, nice and bright. Now the Florida room, which is nice, this is a laminate floor. It looks like wood, but it's not. You have a private view. There's fencing. Let's see if we can get you to peek out here real quick. So there's a fence right there, and then a little bit of greenery, okay? And then you have a door that takes you out to a little patio area to sit. And so this is your Florida room with a little bit of privacy with some greenery. And then as we look to the front, front door takes you out of the condo association, which is pretty nice. You have quick access to shopping, restaurants, drugstores, BMV, and so on. So now we're going to take a look at the two bedrooms. Okay, so you have the master bedroom here, the guest bedroom. So let's take a peek at the guest bedroom. New carpeting, paint, 9 foot ceilings, private view out the back window. You don't really see anything but fence and greenery. Double closet, which is nice. Now we're going to take a peek at the master. Ceiling fan, double window. And then in the master bathroom, you have ceramic tile. You know, of course, one bowl sink. And then it's a 4 foot shower. Let me just let you peek at that real quick. So you basically can see, let me turn it over so you can see that better. So it's just a little bench area. Okay, so we're going to now take a look down the hallway to the laundry, other bathroom, closets. So right here is the hallway off the master and the extra bedroom. There's the kitchen again. The main bathroom would be right here. So you got ceramic tile. Now in this case you have a tub shower combo, fiberglass tub and shower. You can see that. Okay. 9 foot ceilings in here as well. Ready for immediate occupancy. Then you see as you come in through the garage, which is the basement and laundry area, is ceramic. Let's take a peek in the laundry real quick. So you have a lot of room in here. It looks like it's electric, so you got electric outlet, hot and cold water, a little wash tub, plenty of space here if you wanted to add cabinets. And then the garage, just a standard 2-car garage, garage door opener. There's no service door here, it's just the overhead door. All right, so let's take a look at the basement. Now this is unusual because again, these units do not have basements, but this one does. So bear with me as we go down the steps together carefully. Okay. So here's the basement. You have a sump pump over in the corner. It's unfinished, of course. It's just painted white, nice and clean. As far as the appliances go, you have a high efficiency Bryant forced air gas furnace with air conditioning. And then you have a Bradford white 40-gallon water heater. Okay? Now the laundry room's up above, so if you really wanted to put gas there, you could run it up and run a gas dryer. So I just wanted to say thanks for walking through this house with me. If you have any further questions, reach out to me anytime at 330-418-1535, or you can go to DominicFonte.com. Thank you.